Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today's vlog we're going to unbox again the new Philips glass blender, and we're going to open it to take it out one by one. Yeah, this is the manual with the 2 years warranty international, and slowly you need to take it out because it is a glass blender, so that it will not break. Yeah, this one, the capacity is 2 liter and effective capacity is 1.25 liter only, and with a small grinder for the dry mill. And this one is a premium glass quality with the 4 blades. And this is the plastic lid with the interlock both side, left and right. Yeah, that's it. And this one is the motor, which has a 2-speed setting with a pulse function. And this one has a thermo protect for the motors to avoid overheating. And this one is a down one. This is a good quality. And this glass blender with the interlock system with the sound, one-click sound, so that you will know if properly locked, and the grinder as well should be one-click sound.